Hey, River Raven. Better late than never. Glad you could stop by. You missed the zoomies, they're kind of tired, but it was getting kind of rough for a minute there. Right, Moose? You guys were going crazy. You'll have to check out the early replay. I almost had to separate them. They were growling at each other. Yeah. What do you think, Moose? You gonna go out in the rain? Oh, kisses? See, now they're calm. They worked all their energy out. It is. It's a nice night. Nice and cool how we like it. A little wet. Kind of foggy. Oh, well, we've had a lot of rain, so it wasn't all that bad. Just too wet to get out on the scooter. It's supposed to rain again tomorrow, and then Wednesday will be a good scootering day, hopefully. Wow, the 90s? That's too hot. We had one day last week that was in the mid 80s, and the puppies kind of stayed inside most of the day where it was cool. And then we came out at night. That night, though, I think after my live stream ended, uh, we had some fireflies around here, so they're gonna be out once it warms up again. Yeah, hopefully the camera picks the fireflies up well, because they're pretty cool. On some of those hot nights, we might have to do a little later live stream because that's when they really come out.